Kia ora. As you can see on the screen, we've got a big, long word. Now, I've just pulled this from Wikipedia, and I've pulled the little description down the bottom there, and it's classified as the world's longest place name. Now, I think it's a really important name for when you're starting to learn te reo Māori because A, it's so bloody long, and B, it's got so many different sounds in it and combinations of vowels and consonants and vowels, and it can be a real tongue twister to try and get your mouth around. So, what the challenge is to just try and say it for starters. So it goes something like Taumata whakatangi hanga ko au o tamatea turipu kakapiki maunga horo noku pokai whenua ki tāna tahu. Now, I've obviously practiced this times, and I've done that because I wanted to learn how to say it, so I could then go and teach other people how to say it, which is what we're doing right now. So, what you can do to make it a bit easier is actually before that, we'll go into the description down here. So, what the somewhat translation of it is the summit where Taumata, the man with the big knees, the slider, climber of mountains, the land swallower who travelled about, played his nose flute to his loved one. Beautiful. So, a good way to try and break this up is, you might have heard, well, I didn't say it this way before, but one way you can say it is to give a little bit of a beat to it. So just start a little bang on the table or something like that, and you go, Taumata, hang on. Taumata whakatangi hanga ko au o tamatea turipu kakapiki maunga hora nuku pokai whenua ki tāna tahu. Pretty simple. So you can start to split it up. You can split it up any way you like. You can start just splitting the sounds up. This isn't going to work properly because it's so long. But yeah, have a crack at saying it. Sound it out. Give yourself a little bit of a beat. So, Taumata whakatangi hanga ko au o tamatea turipu kakapiki maunga horo noko pokai whenua ki tāna tahu. And it will take your breath away. So, have a crack at it. Practice it at home. Practice it with your kids. Practice it with your wife, your husband, your aunties, your uncles, your nieces, your nephews, your grandparents, your friends, random person on the street, anyone you want, anyone that'll listen. Because once you can get your head around it, it'll really help you with all your pronunciation. So keep at it, keep up the good work, and we'll see you next time.